Hey guys, it's Dami and I'm back with another one today. We have this AirPod Pro 3s that I did get from DHGate and these do come with AppleCare, which is crazy. Let's get right into the unboxing. So gonna go right into it. When you take off the lid of the box, you are greeted with the December Apple in California paperwork, followed by the AirPods, and then you have the extra ear tips, I believe from extra small all the way up to a large. And yes, they are easy to take out and replace, and they do fit to the originals as well, which is actually kind of cool. So when it came to pairing these, they were actually very simple. You just open the lid, you press connect, and then you double tap on the case because new AirPod Pro 3s and 4s are double tap on the case. No more pairing button at the back. I did go into the settings, I did check out the features. Some don't work, but I'm going to explain that later on. So over at the bottom, you can see that it does show it comes with AppleCare, and you can copy that serial number and take it onto Apple's website, and yeah, it would show that these are covered with AppleCare, which is kind of crazy for AirPods from DHGate. So do what you will with that information. Onto the sound quality and mic quality. I did play a few songs with these and they sound amazing. Like, I'm gonna give this a solid 8.5 out of 10 when it comes to sound quality. Mic test, I'm just gonna leave that at 7 out of 10. I did try out ANC and transparency. Spatial audio, it doesn't work, kind of makes it louder. Transparency works flawlessly, and because it has a silicone tip, ANC, you can't hear anything around you whatsoever. So yeah, that's a 10 out of 10 in my book. So these will be perfect for the gym. Oh yeah, one more thing to add. The stem controls on these AirPods? Yes, they work. So I can actually increase or reduce the volume just using the stem on the AirPods themselves, and they're actually very responsive and there's no lag, using this feature whatsoever. I can pause and play next song and previous song with it as well, which I think is cool. So when it comes to buying these, it's very simple. I left the link to these in my link tree down below. So it's going to be Pro 2 and 3 from Air Max, and there is a backup link as well in case the first one doesn't work. When you go to DHGate, you're going to pick this exact one that I did get, which was, Pro 3 with best ANC. And if you're in the United States, order anywhere else from China. It takes about roughly a week to get to where you're ordering it from, because for me it took about roughly a week from China, but in the United States 5 days. And you can get them ASAP and use them for family or sell them or whatever you want to do. That's up to you. So with all that being said, hope you guys did like this video and enjoy it. I know it was a quick one, but I just wanted to get this out to you guys because I just got these and I want you guys to see what they're really about. So with all that being said, all links will be down below in the description. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and any questions, reach out to me in my comments or Instagram, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.